Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is your instructor, Kent Anderson, and I am going to give you a short walkthrough of the major areas of the classroom today. I put this video together to help those of you who might be a little nervous about navigating an online classroom find things a little easier. And there will also be some of you who may have had an online class before but still might need a few tips about navigating the classroom. So to begin, what you see on the screen right now is the course homepage. So this is where you see the announcements for the class, and then off to the left-hand side, if you follow my mouse, you will see a number of different links, and as I scroll down you see more links. So let's start up here. If you are wondering about something to do with the class, you have some kind of a question for me, there are a number of ways to ask those questions. You can click on Questions for the Professor right here, and that will take you to this page. And if you scroll down, you are going to find two videos, which I'll get back to in a second. And then you have a discussion board here where you can ask me a question you might have about the course. Now, you should make sure that any question you ask me here is a question you don't mind sharing with the rest of the class, because everybody in the class can read what the questions you put here as well. Now, under week 1, which is right here, if you scroll all the way down, you will also see a Problems and Solutions discussion board, which you click on like that, and there it is. And you can also ask me questions about week 1 on this discussion board. Okay, and now let's go up here to week 1 itself. Okay, when you first click on a week, this is what will happen. A number of additional links will open underneath of it. So what you have here, starting with participating in cultures of the past, are a number of readings that are designed, in this case, to help introduce you to the study of popular culture, as well as introduce you to the approach that we'll be using to the study of popular culture. And then you also get some readings that are specific to the era for the first week. So in the first week, we are looking at the early 20th century. So that's why you have readings here about the turn of the century, the Roaring Twenties, fashion in the 20s, the Great Migration and the Harlem Renaissance, and the Lost Generation. Now, it's very important that you do all of these readings before you attempt any of the discussion board assignments for the week. So as you click on these, you'll see that the readings pop up, okay? And there's not a lot to read really, but you do want to put the effort into reading it and making sure you understand it. So there's not a lot, so it's all very digestible. It's in nice, well-organized little chunks here, okay? And in addition to the actual readings themselves here, you also have a number of additional little extras over here, and all you have to do is click on these. Okay, and it's going to give you a few more details and a few more things to consider. Now, all of these readings are important when it comes to doing your weekly papers. Some of you may wonder, well, where do I find more information about the aspect of popular culture I'm discussing? Where do I find more information about the era? Well, looking through the weekly readings can help you a lot in those regards, because you're going to find hints throughout here about ways to conduct your Google research. Okay, and Now let me go to, I want to show you what it looks like when a week opens up. So if you wanted to look at the assignments for week 2, you click on week 2 and boom, everything opens here. So you see there, all of the readings are now available right underneath the week, as are the assignments for the week right there. Okay, and you also do get these timelines, and we'll see if, yep. So you also get these timelines that open up. So again, this is more additional information that you can look at here, and you can click on each one of these. So there's a lot of really interactive additional information in addition to the actual readings, like this. Okay, so you have the readings here, and then you have the extras, like the click to explore, like the timelines. All of these are here to expand your knowledge of the era we're looking at for a given week. Okay? Now, let's go up here. If you're wondering specifically about, readings and assignments, we do have, quite helpful, right here at the top, a Readings and Assignments tab. So you click on that, and what you see here is kind of a breakdown. Now, what you're also seeing here too are hyperlinks to, again, further information that can help you in your research, and that can help you better understand the era we're looking at and the popular culture important to that era that is being offered as examples here. So there's a lot. And again, you can see all these blue hyperlinks that will give you further information. There's a lot of information at your disposal here. Now, again, make sure you're reading through all of this, because it's all very important, but it can also, depending on what you're looking at as the popular culture you want to discuss for a given week, these additional links, as well as the click to explore, as well as the timeline, can give you a lot of research avenues, just a lot of them. Okay, so you do want to make sure you browse through these. So again, right now we're at Readings and Assignments. Now the next thing I want to show you real quick, up here at the top we have some links. Now this is going to be a little different for you because obviously I'm the instructor, but you will have a Dropbox link. Okay, now the Dropbox is very important, so I want to go over that with you real quick. If you click on the Dropbox, you're going to see this. Now, these are the Dropbox folders for each week, all right? And this is where you submit your papers. So each week there's a discussion board assignment and there's a paper assignment. This is where you submit the paper assignment, the generational analysis paper. Now, I sent you all an email earlier today that gave you an overview of that assignment. In addition, I will show you where you can also find another copy of that same document here in the classroom in just a second, but I just wanted to show you this is the Dropbox. This is where you go to submit your generational analysis papers. So you're going to click on that and then upload the document. There is also an option for a text window that's going to allow you to, in theory, type your document in there. You could also copy and paste from a document you've already written and paste it in that way. Or you can upload the paper as an attachment along with the audio introduction. And again, I went over that in the overview of the paper assignment that I emailed to everyone earlier today. Now let me show you where that document is as well, just in case you might be thinking, well, I didn't get that email. What's up with that? Well, in case you didn't, if you click on Doc Sharing right here, that'll take you here, and you'll see here that I have uploaded that paper right there, okay? And it's available for the entire class, so all you would have to do is click on it and download it. And there you go. So in case you missed it, there it is. Now I'm going to take us back to the course homepage, Okay, so that's just kind of a sort of a basic overview of navigating the classroom. And one more thing I should probably show you. You do have the syllabus here. You do also have academic expectations here. Now let me click on that one for you real quick. Okay, now on this page you're going to see a lot of answers to a lot of questions you might have. So if you have a disability and you need further information on that, that's right here. And if you have any questions about reliable research and use of sources, you got a tab for that here. You can see the policy on plagiarism. You can also see the late work guidelines, which is something you might want to take a look at. The critique guidelines, attendance policy, grading, everything, well, maybe not every question you might have, but a lot of the questions you might have are going to be found right here. All right, so let me take you back to course homepage. And that is your quick little introduction to navigating the classroom. I hope you find this helpful. And I should be posting additional videos every week. And you can look for them in the same place that you'll find this. I intend to upload this and have it available at Problems and Solutions. So that's this page right here. The video will be available here, and the subsequent videos for each week will be available at the Problems and Solution page for each given week. So I hope you're having a lot of fun with the course. Hope you're looking forward to further journeys into popular culture, and I will see you soon. Bye.